Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to HTML tables. Okay, so mainly we are going to talk about two things. One is caption tag, and another one is align attribute. Okay, so before we start, if you have not watched the previously published session, then I would recommend you to please go and check out the previously released session because in this playlist, each and every session is in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very much easier for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay. So now I think we are going good to start the session, and here we will proceed in the same way. Like firstly I will explain you the code one by one. We will understand each and every requirement, and at last we will see the output. Okay, fine. So I think now we can start. Here you can see so far, like I have just noted down the basic structure and code, basic syntax of HTML code. So you can see here. Okay, and we have just added one heading tag. So let's save it and see in the browser. So you can see right as of now it is just showing this HTML by texture myth. Okay, HTML by texture myth is coming like this. Now what we will do, we will understand the tag concept, which is caption tag. Okay, so to explain the caption tag, firstly we need one table. So what we will do, we will create one table. Okay, so let's create the basic table first. So I just need to write here table, and then we will close it. Here we will start the head, table head. Then we will write tr for table row and th for the table header. Okay, so let's give it a name as a student id. Okay, so this is the first table column. Now refresh the web browser, you can see student id is showing here. Fine. Now we will add the second value. So just copy the th again and paste it as student name. Save it. Before that, let's go with this. Save it, refresh it. So student id and student name is there. Now it's time to add another row for the other details. So for that, what we will do, uh, we will create the t body tag. So t body tag, close it, and here we will specify the tr because we want to specify next row. Okay, so these are the things like th tr, these things are we have already covered, right? That's why I'm just quickly explaining you like how we are using it. That, and this is the reason like why I was recommending you to go and check out previous session, because for now we are just focusing on caption tag and align attribute. Okay, so let's add the td here. For the td, let's go with td. Okay, so let's put the name as firstly we need to id, so 01. Let's copy it and paste it. This time we will make it as Sharmit. Okay, fine. So let's refresh the data. You can see student ID is coming as 0 and student name is coming as Sharmit. Fine, perfect. Now we will add another row. So for that, just simply copy the same thing here and add for the second record. And even I would recommend you, like whenever you are doing practice of these things, at least add 2-3 records in a table so that it will give you a proper visualization. Okay, so I just added another record. Let's save it and refresh it. So you can see it is coming like this. All right, now it's time to add one more table. Why? I'll explain you, but before that, let's copy the same table structure and we will just make it for student. Instead of student, we will make it as for employee. So I'll just copy it from here. Let's okay, paste it here. Instead of student, we will make it as employee. Employee ID. Similarly, let's copy it and paste it everywhere where we have mentioned student. All right, so I think now we are good. Let's refresh the data. So you can see two tables is ready. But why we are creating two table? Just to explain you the need of caption tag. Okay, so let's give it a better look, because some of you might be thinking like why it is not looking like a table. So it's better to apply some border to it. So I'll just go to this table tag and here we will add border 5px. Okay, so let's save it. So you can say first table is coming with the border, and similarly we'll make it as per second table. So let's go to second table, and here we can write table instead of table border and 5px, save. All right, so now two table is ready. Now let's break line so that we can see proper visualization. So I'll just copy break tag 2-3 times. Okay, although there are other ways to break it properly, but I just want to show you in a quick way. So I'm just using break tag 4 times to show you the table. Now we will understand the requirement of caption for the tables. Why do we need captions? Assume a scenario where we have multiple tables on our web page. Right now I created 2 tables. Similarly, there might be hundreds of tables on a single web page. Okay, so in that case, how user will identify which one is for what purpose? So to give a proper title to a particular table, we use caption tag. Okay, so here, although like we can see the column name and we can identify, okay, this is the student table, but if there are multiple student table, then which type of student table is this? So to specifically mention the title, we will use the caption tag. Similarly, we have employee table where we will mention the employee table description. So let's see how we will use the caption tag. So to use the caption tag, just simply go to your table and in this table tag define caption and close it. Okay, so here I will write table 1 students here I will write students record table. Okay, student records table. Just save it and refresh it, refresh your browser, so you can see it is coming like this, students record table. So this is the caption for this particular table. Although you can design it in a better way, you can apply some css to it, that maybe we will see in the upcoming sessions, but for now we just created a basic table with a basic caption. Likewise, we can copy it from here directly, and let's go to the second table. So now we know like how we will identify where the second table is started, because we have added the table tag whenever we are using it, right? So let's paste it after this and make it as employee. Save it, refresh it. So you can see, oh, I think we need to mention it as table 2. Yeah, we're good with it. Okay, so you can see there are 2 tables and both table is associated with a specific caption, or you can see the title. So by using this title or a caption, you can easily identify the table. User can easily identify the table, like which table is used for what purpose. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you, and this particular concept is clear to all of you, like how we are utilizing the caption tag in HTML. Now the next thing is align attribute. Why I'm explaining you align attribute with these tags? Because I just want to let you know that if you want to design your table in a way where you want to specifically justify your record. For example, let me explain in simpler word. So you can see, just focus on this row. All data is left aligned, but I want to see some data in center aligned or maybe the right aligned. So how to do this? So to achieve this, we will simply use one attribute in TD, not in TH, because TH is already fully occupied. So I'll just go for TD, and here I will write align center and save it. So after a save, you will see it is coming in a center. Clear? Similarly, if I want to make this one as well as a center, so I'll simply go to the next TD, align and center. Clear? Save it and refresh it. So after a refresh, you will see the data is properly center aligned. Likewise, we will add another thing for the another row. Let's go with this. Okay, will it work if we directly apply align in this table itself? Let me show you one more thing. Good. So what we will do, we will simply remove it for now. I want to show you something, that can be useful for you. So I think we missed something here, or maybe we have removed something from here. Yeah, TD tag is missing. You can see, right? Closing TD tag is missing. So no, TD tag is there. TR tag is there. Let's do undo. Something is missing from here. So we need to figure out like what is the exact thing. So yeah, this tag was missing. By mistakenly we removed the TD tag angular bracket. So I'll just replace it, remove it from here and remove it from here as well. Okay, so let's save it, go to browser again, refresh your table. So you can see it is coming in default. Now is it possible to directly apply the table align tag to your table itself? So let's try align center. Okay, so if you go with center, save it, refresh it, so you can see now the table is center aligned. So don't get confused between these two things. Okay, if you want to align table in a center, apply align in table. But if you want to apply the column data into center, then you are supposed to provide alignment here in the TD part. So this is the exact thing which I wanted to show you in this session. Like whenever you are aligning something, please make sure that you are aligning in a better way, right way. Some people wanted to align the table data, so what they do, like they simply paste it in table part, but that is not a good way. I showed you, right? So now you can see the data is aligned, not the table. Okay, but if you want to align table, then it is fine, like you can go with that approach. All right, now similarly if you want to make right aligned, so you can paste it. Let me paste it here. Instead of this, we will write right aligned. Save it, refresh it, so you can see this text is right aligned. Likewise we will do for all the TDs, which is table data. Okay, so let's go and make it as TD. Okay, so we have applied both the things here. Clear? So save it and refresh it again. All right, so now you can easily identify which table is for which purpose, because we have utilized the caption tag, and also we have centralized the data and right aligned the data. Mainly we have aligned our data as per our requirement. So if you want to keep one cell as right aligned, one cell as left aligned, one cell as center aligned, that is also possible, but it totally depends on your requirement. How would you like to display it on your web browser? Clear? So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.